Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry, and sharing duties with me today, Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It is Manchester City versus Arsenal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
And it will be an Arsenal free kick. Osimhen, Martinez, Victor Osimhen. Fluency of movement. And a kick given to Arsenal. Well, the attack will peter out. Keeper's ball. Pele. And Dembele's given it away. An encouraging Arsenal move. And a tidy challenge. A foul but no whistle. Instead, advantage with Arsenal. Dembele. Pedri. Pele. Showing a real will to win the ball. Otamendi. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Well, no danger now. That's how to dispossess your opponent. Pervis Estupinian. Saka. Parejo. Victor Osimhen. Martinez. Pepe. Well, he's certainly not alone. But quick thinking defensively. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Saka. Osimhen. And so it is, the first half story has been written. So they get the ball rolling in the second half. Even Steven here. So little to choose between the sides. Di Maria. Well, it's one pass after another. No, high quality defending. Textbook defending inside the box. Dembele. That's a good-looking ball. Can he put them in front? And it's in! 1-0. They breached the defence.
Well, here it is again. First to the ball, clever header and a good finish. He's done really well there.
1-0 then. Di Maria. Dembele. Kolo Muani. Given away by City. Oh, great piece of individual skill. Pervis Estupinian. Well, a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Pepe. Di Maria now. 10 minutes to go then. Giving the ball away. Advantage, Arsenal. Parejo. Osimhen. Well, they have it again. It is advantage Manchester City here. But play is halted this time. Free kick. And Manchester City will go to their bench. Bremer. The final whistle, and the Gunners go down. They've lost this